Hey guys, this car, my DT came out of Kansas. It's supposed to be Wichita. So obviously, there's some rust going on up there now. None of it's structural. This is all the thin stuff. You can see right into the trunk area right here. So behind both rear wheels, it's exhaust, but a lot of it's rusted out. Frame's fine and everything else like that, but so I wasn't sure how to take care of this problem. So I cleaned everything the best I could, and then I sprayed Duplicolor rust converter all over everything inside and out. So now I'm going to use insulating foam, the expanding foam, to block all this up. Okay guys, gals, the trunk's been prepped out for, I'm going to add a rubber coating for some sound deadening. Plus I had, according to the video before, I had some rust through in these corners down here. And so it's non-structural stuff, but I didn't quite sure know how to take care of that, so I literally saturated it inside and outside with rust converter, and then I filled with expanding foam. So both of those are full and sealed up. So now I'm just going to put in just spray rubberizing basically to kind of take care of some of the sound deadening stuff. So here we go. And here we go. I've got a good bunch of rubber coating on the fenders there, through here, through the back, there, all around here. All the expanded foam is covered, and so that'll probably take care of a little of the tinniness. So there we go. Got the trunk all done up. I just have to put in all the fascia cardboard, but there we go.